From now on, this is how I do brakes on the rear of my Audi when I want to do the rotors as well. If you want to do the rotors, you have to remove this caliper bridge bracket, unless you cut this little tiny tab off, that little triangle. I showed this in a different video and I've had zero problems on my other car. I didn't expect any problems. It's just right here. That piece is all you got to cut off. I never saw anyone do this before I did it. I got some comments on the short video where I posted about it. I don't see any issues. I do not have to take out these 18 millimeters, and all I got to do is take out these 13 millimeters. Make sure that the slide pins are free and lubricated. Now watch this, that was all it took. Just pulls straight out. Slide in the new rotor. Ooh, it barely fits, but it does. See, I didn't chop much off. That side's still much bigger than that side. And that's how you save some time doing brakes on the back of your A4, A5, A6, Q5, etc. You only have to remove 8 bolts. 5, 6, 7, 8 instead of 10. 2 more on the caliper bridge. Yeah, I'll show you how to do it one-handed. Doesn't even take that long. There we are. Beautiful. Looks factory. Wow, wow, wow. Cutting off just enough. Very simple.